Hello friends, right now I am having videography of this good bus stoppage where it is very nice. All the sides are protected with glasses. Sitting arrangement for 2 persons are also there. Evening time is there, somewhat cloudy atmosphere is there. Right now I am at Mavis Road of Mississauga, Canada. This is the back view of the bus stop. It is very comfortable while person is waiting for bus, because here weather is so windy. Wind gusts are also affecting. Right now I am taking inside views. A very good sitting arrangement is there. They have put some salts which makes not slippery floor, and if ice is there, it is a good thing. They have shown a map here. It is very comfortable to be here. If it's raining and you don't have umbrella or some this waterproof jacket, then it is a very good shelter. Hello, myself Patel. It's a great pleasure to have videography of this unique bus stop. We never see such a thing, or probably I have not seen it. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good and great day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you so much for watching.